Hey guys, so I had to take a little break because I was so hungry. I don't know if you heard me in a couple lectures ago that I just couldn't do it anymore. I had to eat something. So anyway, I found my little boo boo, and it's not really a boo boo. It's something that we forgot to um, update. So if we go to post.php, we can see here that we have this static ID here that we are using. So we need to get the ID of the post, the user ID here of the logged in user, right? So we already have a function. So we need the ID of the logged in user here to make this work. That's why I left this for last, because we didn't have that. We didn't have a really good function to play around with. So I'm just gonna say user. Let's see what it was. I forgot. Logged in user ID. That's why we created a function. There we go. And that function, it is returning the ID. Let's make sure that it is returning that. Well, that's what it's supposed to do, right? We tested that. So that should be the ID. That should do it. That should do the trick, guys. Let's go and empty our database from all this stuff. Let's delete it. I just deleted the users. Teleportation. There we go. We just teleported back to the past and fixed it. All right. I'm joking. I just paused the video and created new users. Okay. So one thing that I forgot to do here was to simply uh, make sure that this is admin. We're gonna need this later. Okay. With some really cool functionalities that I got coming for you guys. So we do need to delete the likes. I'm pretty sure we do need to do that. Um, let's go browse here before we make a mistake and delete the tables. And yes, and we need to update our posts. There we go. Double clicking and 0, enter. There we go. So now if we go to our posts, the first one says that we have some type of error here. Okay, page source. Let's go back down. It says query failure. You have an error in your syntax. Server right syntax post ID 39. Yeah, that's another one that we are hard coding for some reason. Okay, maybe you're not, but I am, and this is in my, let's look for that number here. You probably don't have that. That's probably something I'm testing in my functions file. This is the link pool, right? That is because, am I logged in? I don't think I am logged in. That's a good thing to, because if I'm not logged in, yeah, that's something that we have to fix now. It's not showing if we are not logged in. So that's good that we got encounter that error here. But as you can see, it will work. I'm gonna do like, okay. I'm gonna log in to, I'm gonna use Safari this time, and I'm going to log in as Maria because I'm logged in as Edwin. That one, actually, I'm logged in as Maria too. And you can see that this, we have one like here. I'm gonna like it, and you can see now that it says on like. Okay, and of course, now if we go to Edwin, we can see that it changes to 2. And if I go and like it from the Edwin side, it has 1, and from the Maria side has 1, but she's still liking it. Okay, so that's working. Another thing that I want to fix real quick here before I forget is the style. We also need to do whatever we did here to the unlike. Okay, just to make sure that when we unlike it, that class take also has the same size. So refresh, and you can see that that goes back to that. Okay, so another thing here that we need to address is if it's not logged in, we need to make sure that they don't see that button. Okay, so I think we have a function for that, don't we? Logged in user is logged in. Okay, look at this function here. Can we use it? Let's try it out. And let's go back to post. So we don't want the user to log in. We want them to see this, but we don't want the user to see the like if they're not logged in. So let's open some PHP tags right here, and let's close it right here. Actually, let's come back here and let's write this stuff down, and then we play around with it. Okay, we could write it up here, but let's just do it right here. So let's say if is logged in, then I want to be able to see something, right? So I'm going to close it here, and I'm going to open it right here. Okay, and we want to see this link here. This H1 is not part, HR is not part of that. Let's put it right here, and we just say else. We can show them another button. Let's copy this, and oops, and instead of having this, that was long. You need to log in to like, and here we can have a button with the login. I think that's the login page, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, there we go, and login, and we can just even move this link and replace it with this right in between. Okay, so that would be good. Let's see if that works, right? I mean, we're a lot of PHP here. We don't know if it works. Let's log out as Maria, and let's go inside one of these posts, and you can see that it says you need to log in to like. Click it, and it gives us this, and I'm Marian. There we go. All right, perfect. So you can make this bigger too, and as a matter of fact, let's do that. Let's just make it a little bigger, right? Let's add some type of class to this here, to this whole paragraph. Okay, let's make it likes, just like that. And that is inside well, we have all the classes here, but it's inside a paragraph anyway. I don't want to go too deep if I don't have to. Declaring a class, and let's just make everything the same. As a matter of fact, we can actually, like do this here, and p likes there. I think we can kill like 3 birds in one shot. Let's see if there we go. Perfect. Okay, so that's looking awesome, and we have some really cool functionality if we're not logged in. Okay, we should create that as well. There, you need to log in to post. We should create a class here. Or log in to post. I think we can even take this further and know, if they are all in the same class, to do something else with it in the same element, be in the paragraph element. There we go. Guys, this was, I think, a really awesome section here. If you have not given me those 5 stars, go ahead and do it now. That motivates me to create more lectures. Hopefully, I was able to show you some really good, cool stuff in this section, and that's my goal with this course. And feel welcome to send me a private message if you need extra help or ask in the discussions, and I'll try my best to have me or somebody else help you out. See you in the next lectures, guys. Take care, and thank you for everything, guys. You guys are the best.